This morning, another clash between educators and cities over COVID, ending with kids in Chicago staying home. The teachers union in the nation's third largest school district voted Tuesday to switch to remote learning, demanding more testing and adjustments to the new COVID surge. City leaders responded by canceling school altogether, even remote learning for most of the district's 330,000 students.
There is no basis in the data, the science, or common sense for us to shut an entire system down.
It's part of the pressure on schools and parents as COVID cases skyrocket, and some have found guidance from authorities confusing. The CDC now clarifying its quarantine guidance again after it cut COVID isolation down from 10 days to 5 for asymptomatic people without requiring a negative test. But the agency is again under fire from medical experts who say the guidelines are still confusing and still don't require a negative COVID test after sick people are done isolating at home for 5 days. Instead, the newest guidance unveiled Tuesday simply says people who have access to a rapid test and want to take it should. The CDC says a positive result on a rapid test after you self-quarantine means you should keep isolating for another 5 days. Those who don't have tests and are asymptomatic or feeling better on day 5 can head out with a well-fitting mask.
That's where it's still ambiguous. It's hard to ask people to judge their own symptoms.
COVID cases are exploding from coast to coast. The sheer volume of sick people is taking a toll on the entire country.
Right now, we have more COVID patients in the ICU than we ever have.
Understaffed before this surge hit, hospitals are now dealing with health workers getting sick too.
We're all pulling extra shifts. We're all taking care of more patients than we ever have. We are tired and frustrated.
President Biden made a point in his comments on Tuesday to say that kids needed to stay in school. One thing that may help that, the CDC is meeting to likely sign off on the FDA's authorization of the Pfizer booster for kids ages 12 to 15. Savannah, back to you.
All right, Stephanie, thank you very much.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Find your favorite recipes, celebrity interviews, uplifting stories, shop our favorite deals, and so much more with the Today app. Download it now.